Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a Spotify festival lineup from your top artists. So go to instafest.app, here's the link, and you're just going to select sign in with Spotify. There was another tab before this, and you're just going to select agree. You're just going to log into your Spotify and you're going to customize your top artists. I'm going to just include top artists from all time. You can also choose a style. There's Malibu Sunrise, LA Twilight, and Mojavetas. I don't know how to say it, but I like this Malibu Sunrise. You can also name your festival or choose to hide it. I'm just going to rename it to that, and after that I'm just going to select save and share, and then I'm just going to select download. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!